Welcome to Southern Sweden Design Days studio and the second day of Southern Sweden Design Days 2021. I'm Karin and this is Kajsa, and we're here to present today's program. Today we will lift activities that cover topics such as material-driven design and circular design. So why has material-driven design become such an important asset for the creative industry in Southern Sweden?
First of all, there are two world-class research centers under development in the southern part of Sweden, in the university city Lund. The European Spallation Source ESS facility and the Max 4 laboratory, which gives this part of Sweden a new inspiring identity as being at forefront of material science.
And also, there are many designers from the south of Sweden that are interested in sustainability and production in connection to the ongoing climate crisis, who has developed this field for years to make a greater impact. If you're curious about material-driven design and collaboration between designer and supplier, you should check out What Matters 2.0, where designers have been collaborating with manufacturers from this region to find new ways to work with their waste material. And also have a look at Spook TV with a series of study visits from local manufacturers listed at the Spook platform.
Copenhagen-based digital gallery for collectible design, Adorno, has curated a collection of selected items by 10 southern Swedish designers. The collection is presented at the Swedish Design Pavilion as a virtual exhibition. Don't forget to watch it at southernswedendesigndays.com, displayed in 3D. And now over to next topic, circular design. Design and innovation is a key for a sustainable shift. In the first panel, we invite you to listen to learnings from the design, textile and fashion industry in Sweden.
You will meet representatives of the fast-growing sustain tech company Renewcell and the world-unique textile sorting facility Siptex and the progressive fashion brand Common Sweden to hear about their contributions to a sustainable future.
The second panel is covering circular design within the furniture design market. Meet the founder of outdoor furniture company Vestre, the design collective On Materia, moderated by Jonas Olsson from Swedish Industrial Design Foundation.
First out today is a performance by Emil Jensen. He is an artist, songwriter and poet, combining comedy and seriousness in a completely own mix. He has released 7 albums and his Summer Talk in national Swedish radio P1 is among the most acclaimed ever. Today he will perform his thoughts on culture, titled Grädde på moset.